Are you tired of pop-up ads constantly interrupting your browsing or appearing randomly on your Android phone? These ads can be annoying, slow down your device, and even pose security risks. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to stop pop-up ads on Android, plus a hidden trick to block them completely in all apps. Let's get started. Pop-up ads can come from websites, apps, or even hidden malware running in the background. If you're constantly seeing pop-ups while browsing, the problem might be your web browser settings. If the ads appear on your home screen or in apps, they may be coming from ad-supported apps or malware installed on your device. To block pop-up ads in Google Chrome, start by opening the Chrome app and tapping the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Settings, then scroll down to Site Settings and tap Pop-ups and Redirects. If this option is enabled, toggle it off to block pop-ups from websites. Next, go back to Site Settings and tap Ads. Make sure the option to block intrusive ads is turned on. This prevents websites from showing excessive or misleading ads while you browse. If you're using a different browser, such as Samsung Internet or Firefox, these settings can usually be found in the browser's Privacy or Site Settings menu. Look for an option to block pop-ups and intrusive ads and enable it to stop unwanted ads from appearing. If you're getting pop-up ads outside of your browser, the issue is likely caused by an app running in the background. To find out which app is responsible, open Settings, go to the section that lists all installed apps, and check for any unknown or recently installed apps that may be displaying ads. If you notice an app that you don't remember installing or one that seems suspicious, tap on it and select Uninstall. Some apps also have permissions to draw over other apps, which means they can show ads even when you're not using them. To disable this, go to Settings, search for Display over other apps, and review the list of apps that have this permission. If you see any suspicious apps, revoke their permission to stop them from showing pop-ups. If your phone has suddenly started showing pop-up ads after installing a new app, you may have installed adware or malware. Running a security scan can help detect and remove harmful apps. Open Google Play. Protect by going to Google Play Store, tapping your profile icon, and selecting Play Protect. Tap Scan to check for harmful apps. If a suspicious app is found, uninstall it immediately. To prevent pop-up ads in the future, always be careful when installing apps from unknown sources. Stick to the Google Play Store and avoid downloading apps from third-party websites. Be sure to check app reviews and permissions before installing any new app, as some free apps use aggressive ads to make money. Stopping pop-up ads on Android can improve your browsing experience, protect your device from malware, and make your phone run faster. Whether you disable pop-ups in your browser, remove ad-supported apps, or use an ad blocker, these steps will help you get rid of annoying ads for good. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks. See you in the next one.